The critics were not good for this phone, that after a while I decided to buy it. I'm very happy and I'll show you why. I have a message or a text waiting to be looked at. This is 20 grams right here. So does it make a difference? Busted! Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. I bought my new Razer Phone 2 a week ago and I could not be happier. Actually, I am happy, but at the same time disappointed. The phone was $50 less a week ago, but because of the bad reviews on the internet, I hesitated and hesitated. So let me here be a myth buster for 5 minutes because I'm very disappointed with what I saw on the web. This phone was released in October 2018. It was sold for about $1,000 US at the time. I'm doing this video because this week it's at $400 US. I got it in Canada for $500 Canadian, which is about $400 US. Like I said, I'll be a myth buster. If you are like me on the fence as to should I buy this phone, I'm not sure. I listen to the critics on the web, those big YouTubers with 10 million subs and up, and they say it's a so-so phone. Well, you know what? I have here about 8 points that they cover. I'm going to bust all of them. First of all, very quickly, for $400 US, you get a Snapdragon 845 processor, Adreno 630 GPU, 8 gigs of RAM. You get a 120 Hz screen, not 60, 120. 64 gigabytes of memory. That's a bit on the low side, but you have access here to put a micro SD card. The screen is not 1080p. It is 1440, 1440. So, and very bright also. Camera has 2 lenses, 12 megapixels. You can do 4K videos with the back camera, only 1080p selfies. Wireless charging. There's a logo in the back that gives you notification. Like right now, I have a message or a text waiting to be looked at. So amazing specs, but like I said, before buying, I listened and I watched a few YouTube videos and I was disappointed. So stay with me for 5 minutes. Let's go here. First point. They say it's a gaming phone, and Razer is partly responsible because on their website it's all gaming, gaming, gaming. I am not a gamer. I bought the phone and I'm still very happy. You know why? Because I like to watch YouTube videos. I am a very technical guy. I like to watch SpaceX launches, for example, NASA stuff, even some Netflix episodes. It is a 16:9 screen, perfect for YouTube videos and movies. 2 big speakers on the side. It's an amazing device if you want to watch YouTube videos. So it's not only a gaming cell phone. Busted. Item number 2. A lot of YouTubers have said that this phone has a big bezel. Okay? Well, as you can see here, it's hard to look on the screen, but it has a little bit of a bezel. But who says in the world that to look nice, a smartphone has to have a smart bezel? Like, is there an academy for smartphone design? No. In my opinion, this phone looks even better than a phone with like glass all over it. Like this is all glass. This is my LG V30. You can take basically almost any iPhones or Samsung S7, 8, 9, 10. I think the Razer looks like a mini PC monitor. This is cool. I like it. Busted. Then item number 3, speakers. The YouTubers look at this and they say, oh yeah, it has very good screen, very good speakers, and this and this and that. It's like saying this Ferrari has a nice engine. Oh, and the seats are so nice. The steering wheel is nice. Oh, just a second. I'm not buying the Ferrari for the steering wheel and for the seats. I want to know about the engine. It's the same for this. So I'm going to do a test right now. I'm going to show you a YouTube video on a typical phone with 1 or 2 speakers here at the bottom, and the same video on my Razer with the front facing speakers, and then you judge by yourself. Point number 1, 2, 3, 4. Point number 4. They say that, oh, it's too bad it comes with Android 8.1. Well, no, this was like when the guys, they all get a pre-release version. I pay for my devices, so I paid for this. It comes with Android 9.0. Like as of now, August 2019, you get Android 9.0. Busted. Wait, almost lost my voice here. YouTubers say that the phone is heavy. Well, you know what? We have about 10 phones in my family, all the kids, my brothers and sisters, even more than 10. I weighted all of them and I checked the specs on websites. The weight of the Razer Phone 2 is 220 grams, okay, 220. The weight of a iPhone 6s Plus is almost 200. The XS Max is 210. The Note 8 is almost 200 grams, and the new Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus is also almost 200. This is 20 grams more than these big phones. 20 grams is 4 pencils. This is 20 grams right here. So does it make a difference? Is it worth it or fair to say that the Razer is a heavy phone? I don't think so. Busted. Item number 6, the battery. Some guys have used the phone for like gaming, like almost like a full half day. Well, obviously the battery is going to drain if you're doing gaming at 120 hertz. Yes, I use the phone a bit for gaming, not a lot, mainly for, like I said, YouTube videos, texting messages. My phone, without any problem, will last from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and often I have 20% left in battery power. So the battery is not the problem. It's also a big battery, 4,000 mAh. You get a full charge with the fast charger. You get a full charge in about 1.5 hours, so that's quite quick. And the last point here, YouTubers have said the camera is not good. Again, my guess is that from what I saw in my experience, these guys get a pre-release version of the phone. They get the phone the first week or even the week before, and the software is not up to date. When I got this phone, the first message I saw was camera software update. I pressed yes, and frankly, it takes almost as good pictures as the LG V30. The V30 is known to have a great camera. Really, my Razer Phone 2 was very close. And it has 2 lenses also, wide angle and telephoto. It's perfect, and like I said, 4K videos. So guys, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't like to be a myth buster, but because of the reviews, I did not buy the phone when it was $50 cheaper 2 weeks ago. I finally bit the, what's the expression, bit dust, I forgot. I got the phone for $500 Canadian, $400 US. I think it's a great purchase. And if you are, like me, on the fence, I hope this video will help you make your decision. And if you have any questions, put them down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.